Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to hide contacts on your iPhone. While iPhone doesn't offer a direct hide contact feature, you can use contact lists and account settings to remove specific contacts from appearing in your Contacts app. To get started, open the Phone app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Contacts at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on Lists in the top left corner. From here, tap Add List and choose the account where you want to create the list, such as Gmail or another email account connected to your iPhone. Give the list a name, such as Hidden, and then tap Done. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, open the newly created list and tap Add Contacts. Select the contact or contacts that you want to hide and add them to this list. Once you've done that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then find and tap Contacts. Next, tap on Contacts Accounts and select the account where you created the hidden contact list. Now, turn off the Contacts toggle for that account. A message may appear asking whether you want to remove those contacts from your iPhone. Tap Delete for My iPhone. Don't worry, these contacts are not permanently deleted. They remain stored in that account and can be restored at any time. If you ever want to unhide those contacts, simply return to the same account settings and turn the Contacts toggle back on. Your contacts will sync back to your iPhone automatically. That's it. You have successfully learned how to hide contacts on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.